First, we will draw the flow graph of stage 2. The output of the stage 2 is as follows, that is h of 0 is equal to g of 0, that is the input from this side, and g of 2. So g of 0 plus g of 2, that is 1 plus 1 gives us 2. H of 1 is equal to g of 1 plus g of 3, that is 1 plus 1 again 2. H of 2 is equal to g of 0 minus g of 2 multiplied by w raised to 0, that will give us 0. H of 3 is equal to g of 1 minus g of 3 multiplied by w raised to 2, but g of 1 minus g of 3 again is 0. H of 4 is equal to g of 4 plus g of 6, that is 1 minus j. H of 5 is equal to g of 5 plus g of 7, that will give us 0.707 minus j 0.707 plus minus 0.707 minus j 0.707, that will give us minus j 1.414. H of 6 is equal to g of 4 minus g of 6 multiplied by w raised to 0, that is 1 plus j. H of 7 is equal to g of 5 minus g of 7 multiplied by w raised to 2, that will be 0.707 minus j 0.707 minus 0.707 minus j 0.707 and again multiplied by minus j. The answer comes out to be minus 1.414 multiplied by j. So we have computed the stage 2. Let us go to the computation of stage 3. For stage 3, we have x of 0, which is equivalent to h of 0 plus h of 1 will be equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. X of 1 is equal to h of 4 plus h of 5, that is 1 minus j plus minus j into 1.414, that is 1 minus j 2.414. X of 2 is equal to h of 2 plus h of 3, that is 0. X of 3 is equal to h of 6 plus h of 7 multiplied by w raised to 0, that will give us 1 plus j minus 1.414 j, that is 1 minus j 0.414. X of 4 is equal to h of 0 minus h of 1 multiplied by w raised to 0, but h of 0 minus h of 1 is 2 minus 2, that will turn out to be 0. X of 5 is equal to h of 4 minus h of 5 w raised to 0, that would be 1 minus j plus j 1.414. So the answer is 1 plus j 0.414. X of 6 is equal to h of 2 minus h of 3 multiplied by w raised to 0, that will give us again 0 because h of 2 and h of 3 have the same value. For x of 7, that will be h of 6 minus h of 7, which is w raised to 0 will be 1 plus j plus 1.414 j, will give us 1 plus j 2.414. So we have found out finally the DFT sequence. Now let us move on to the second part.